I found a great website that offers some free fonts, free vintage illustrations, borders, and textures. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get access to this free stuff. I also bought something on the website, and I'm going to show you the quality as well. I want to point out this is not an affiliate link. I just found this website and just thought it was cool, so I wanted to share it with you. Let's jump in. All right, so the website's called tomchalky.com, and they offer things like a newsletter, free downloads, and they also have a shop here. So if I click on shop and I go to vintage illustrations, for example, they've got a whole bunch of stuff here for sale. I actually wound up buying this high resolution maps of the world. It was on sale and I grabbed it and I was really happy with the results. I'm going to show you that a little bit later in this video. But for here, we're just going to go into this free download section. We're going to see what's up with this. Now you do need to sign up for this free newsletter. You get access to a link which gets you access to this free design bundle, and it includes things like this petal brush font, different sans serifs fonts. It's also got some vintage illustrations, and it's also got more. It's really cool. So I just wanted to point this out. There's a grit and grunge texture. And so I'm just going to show you what this stuff looks like if you were to sign up for the free design bundle. So when you download the zip file, you'll get a link to a zip file. When you download it, you wind up getting a bunch of stuff like this vintage texture paper. This is pretty cool stuff here. And so this is just really neat. It includes a commercial license. You can see here, there's some really cool vintage looking stuff here. And then there's also vintage maps. This is like a sampling because they do sell map designs as well. So here's just an example of like it's pretty high quality, right? When I zoom in, you can see it's like a scan of an old public domain map. So they're selling it, which is great. And there's tons of resources like this on their website. Really, really high quality scans. I really like this one with the land hemisphere. This is, again, a really high quality scan of different maps. And then there's also vintage illustrations as well. And again, these are from public domain. These are scans from books, but they're pretty high quality scans, and you can use them to make all sorts of different designs if you wanted to sell print on demand, for example, or because they're in the public domain, you could pretty much do anything you want with them. Again, these are free downloads that you get as part of this Tom Chalky package. Here's vintage botanical illustrations. So if you like things like trees, flowers, berries, that kind of thing, there's lots available in the package. So I actually purchased a bundle. They had a sale a little while ago, and I purchased this vintage maps bundle. It's 117 high resolution maps of the world. I absolutely love doing map designs because they are in the public domain. And so I wound up purchasing this, and I thought, well, let's see what the quality of these are like. And as you can see here, just in the sampling, there's lots of different United States that are available in this vintage map. There are scans from old books, and I just absolutely love them. So I purchased it. And as you can see here, the quality on these are just fantastic. This is Africa. There's different Africa maps. And as we scroll through alphabetically, you'll see we'll get to Alaska, Arabia, Arizona, and New Mexico. I'm going to scroll in on this Arkansas one. So I'm just using my Windows image viewer. And as I scroll in, we can see just how in detail these maps are. These are really, really high quality scans of these maps. I think they're absolutely fantastic. And they're just a ton of fun. I spent a couple hours just looking at them, and then I wound up using them for print on demand designs, and I've made more than enough money off of these for the few dollars that I spent. It was a good return on my investment. It took me a lot of time to create the actual designs based on these maps, but I really enjoy how they look. The vintage feel, I think, is a strong seller in the print on demand space. And again, look at the quality here. When we do the scans in, they're clean, they're crisp. I was really happy with it overall. So again, there's no affiliate link in this video. I'm not affiliated with these guys in any way. I just happen to really like the website, and I've used them in the past. They do have an all access pass for $100 a year. Again, it's totally up to you if you wanted to get it or not. I just thought it was really cool. And if you want free downloads, they're right here. And I just think you can't go wrong getting a huge design bundle for free. And you can sign up to a newsletter, and then you can even get more information from them through the newsletter. Thanks a lot for watching, everybody. If you've got any questions or comments, or if you downloaded something that you really like, feel free to share it. I think that'd be great. I'd love to hear from you. And here's another video where you can access some more cool free things.